Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to give you a guide on how to chat with Google Bard AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you don't have a Google Bard AI account already, then you simply need to log into your Google account first. Once you log into your Google account, simply go to bard.google.com and press enter. Now, if you just access, you will need to click a few buttons to agree with some policies before you can access this window. Once you gain access to this chat page, you can simply use it as you would use ChatGPT. So you can just go ahead and ask it any question that you want. Just type in your question and press the enter button and you will get a response from Google Bard. If you like the response that you see, you can click on the thumbs up to mark it as a good response. You can also view other responses by clicking on View Other Drafts, and you will be able to see different versions of the same response. You can also click on the Regenerate Drafts button to try regenerating answers for your question. You can also ask it to do creative tasks for you, such as conducting research for your project or starting on your very own book. Now, there is also a feature that you can use to listen to the response that you received if you don't feel like reading. You can simply click on the speaker icon.
Sure, here is a short story about the value,
and this will begin speaking the responses. In order to generate more tailored responses, you will need to provide more tailored prompts. Now, in order to get a more tailored response, I have gone ahead and returned a very tailored query. So this is pretty mouthful and very specific, but I haven't even given some clues onto what objects I wanted to include. So let's go ahead and submit this query and see what it has to offer. Now you can see that it has generated a pretty lengthy content. You can also retry generating by clicking on the Regenerate Drafts, or you can look at other drafts as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the incredible power of AI with Google Bard AI to make your task easier for you. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.